with Christiane. Yes, we can. For a quick review of BAMA, I've already posted the full tutorial and a demo. Enjoy. Here we go. Quick review of BAMA. Starts on the right foot with a heel and a cross unwind. So right heel, right foot crosses, turn, full turn, unwind. As soon as you end unwinding, you put your right foot to the right and shake it, left, shake it. Good. Then we do and cross, hold. So the and is the right foot. And left, cross, hold, and left, rock, recover. And right, cross, hold, and pivot, turn, ending on your left, weight on left, because we want to go back. So we're going to do 4 sweeps going back with the right foot first. Right, left, right toe, left toe, slide, finish, weight on left, because then we're going to do a sailor step with the right, sailor step with the left, sailor step, kick and point with the right, kick and point with the left, kick and point. Those are the 32 steps to BAMA. Let's do it again. Starts with heels. 5, 6 with words. Right heel, left heel, cross, unwind, and shake it to the right, and shake it to the left, and cross left, and cross, rock, and cross, hold, and pivot, turn, sweep, right, sweep, left, sweep, right, sweep, left, toe, and slide, left, sailor step, kick and point, kick and with counts. BAMA. Or I think the dance is just called BAMA. The music is BAMA. Here we go. Right foot from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Hold 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's it. There's one tag on wall 5, the second time you come to the front wall, and it's just a shake right, shake left, 4 counts. Then come to that next wall again. Now it's your 9th wall, and you restart after 8 counts. That's it. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.